This is a hypothetical demonstration of Grapple's fake news fact-checking software. Let's start with a well-read piece of fake news from just after the most recent election. Here you're seeing the news story on Gateway Pundit, a conservative blog. The headline is that protesters were bussed in by DNC supporters to a rally in Austin just after the election. So let's look at the Grapple interface. Here we see the URL input bar. Users can copy and paste a URL or activate an analysis from within the browser by clicking a button. We'll focus right now on the first column of the user interface, source chronology. This is going to show a user where a story originated, the original published source, and any changes made since. Here our software is going to identify keywords in the headline and paragraph text of the story. The program then inputs these keywords across a number of search engines. Right now we'll just use Google for the demonstration. And the program is going to use metadata to determine the original chronological source, in this case, a post on Free Republic. That's going to show up here in our source chronology as the original source, followed by any succeeding sources with the same keywords on the same timeline. Then it's going to search for the second column information, which is the source breakdown. That's going to search for the original real-world sources. In this case, there's actually a link, making it fairly easy. We can search using an archival system and find the original tweet, which has since been deleted, from Eric Tucker, a small business owner in Austin who was the first person to post this tweet. So that's going to go in the source breakdown, the second column. Then the program's going to search for alternate sources to fill the third column. And these are sources that have similar keywords but maybe aren't part of the chronology and could be later stories as well, like this Snopes follow-up that found that this story was false. So it's going to search those stories and use natural language processing to pull out potentially missing information or contradictory information about that story and bring it to the reader's attention. Now, looking at the alternate tree view, you can see all of the information that's instantly available to the reader. The source chronology, the original source, any changes, alternate sources, and highlighted problems within that story, all available with the click of a button.